If you are getting messages on your Facebook page, but you don't have the time or honestly take skills to turn those messages into real customers, this video is for you because by the end of it, you will know how to turn your messenger into a 24 by 7 lead generating machine, one that answers every customer, sets your info, capture leads and book meetings completely on autopilot. And here is the best part. You are not gonna build it the hard way. You will just tell Claude what you want and it builds the whole thing for you. So stick around to the end because I will also show you how to get the exact skill that makes Claude do all of this in minutes. By the way, if you are new here, my name is Dilip. I help businesses build smart AI systems that save time, cut their costs, and take all their boring manual work off their plate. Over the last 3 years, I have done this for more than 245 businesses, and I build and deliver these exact kind of systems for my clients. So this isn't theory. This is the real method I use to get paid. So now let me walk you through how we are going to do it. It's just simple 5 steps. Okay, so before we move forward, let me tell you the plan, like what exactly we are going to cover in this video. So it would be better for us. Let me walk you the plan. So the first step that we are going to take in this particular video is that we will create a Facebook developer account and we will set up the developer account, like creating an app inside the developer account and grab your access tokens. And this is the crucial part, because if you want to connect your Facebook Messenger to anytime automation or any other third-party tool, you need your access tokens. And in order to get your access token, you should have a app inside your Facebook developer account. So that's what we will do step by step, and I will show you everything live here. And the next step that we will take is that after we set up our Facebook developer account and create an app inside the account, we will build the actual N8N workflow. And this N8N workflow it will work like a bridge connection between Facebook and Rattle. Because we will connect Facebook Graph API in the same workflow, and also we will connect Rattle agent that we built in the previous video. Okay, so we will connect that Rattle agent to the same workflow. So whenever someone messages you on Facebook Messenger, Facebook will send that message to this N8N workflow. This N8N workflow will send that message to Rattle agent, and Rattle agent will reply to that message. It might sound a little bit technical, but it's not. It's like once you set up and publish the application and everything, it will be pretty quickly, like instantly. Someone message you on Facebook, this agent will reply them within seconds, not in hours or days. Okay. And the next step that we will take is that we will build Slack notified N8N automation in our N8N. So we did in previous videos. So whenever someone has conversation with the agent, after having the conversation with them, agent will send you a notification on your Slack. Okay. So you or your team can be notified. And the next step after that we will take is that once everything is set up and we connect our Rattle agent to Facebook Messenger, we will test it live inside Facebook Messenger and we'll see how it's actually working. And if it gets any error, we will tell Claude to fix those errors, and I will do everything live here. And once everything works perfectly and as expected, we will publish the app. So the agent will go live 24 by 7. So it will live inside your Facebook Messenger. So whenever someone sends you message, it will just answer them instantly. Okay. So this is the actual roadmap that we are going to take. So without wasting further ado, let's go and let's do the first step, that is setting up your Facebook developer account. So let's get into it. So in order to create your Facebook developer account and all the setup, you have to come in your browser and search for Facebook developer, okay, developer account, okay, and you have to click on this first option that is available right here. And once you will log in on this page, this is Facebook developer account. In your case, it might not show this option that is My Apps because you haven't created or signed up for developer account. And if you did, then you will see an option that says My Apps. But in your option, it could show something like sign up or anything else. So you have to make sure that you sign up first and with your same Facebook credentials that has Facebook page and business portfolio. Once you sign up, you will see this option that says My Apps. Okay. So you have to click on this option right here. And once you do, you will land inside your dashboard. And in your dashboard, the first tab is My Apps. Here are all of your apps that maybe you have already built. And in your case, it might show empty because if you just created a developer account on Facebook, then it might show empty. Okay, so that's not the big issue. What you have to do is that first of all, you have to create an app inside developer account, and to create an app, you have to click on this option that says create app. Okay, and here you will land on another page, and here basically you have to give your app a name. So you can give it any name, but in my case, let's give it name Try Messenger Bot 2.0 because I have already this bot, but I'm giving it a new name. And here you have to add your email address, a valid email address. Okay, it's necessary. You can provide any email that is working. And once you do, just click on next. And here you have to select the use cases. Now, what does it mean by use cases? So use cases means why are you creating an app? Like, do you want to automate content on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp? Or do you want to automate your marketing and ads by getting marketing API? That option is right here. Or do you want to automate your threads and like creating content on threads, messages and other things? And there are a bunch of things that you can see right here. But you don't need to touch any of these things because in this video, we are not going to cover content automation. We are just covering messaging automation. So what you have to do, you have to click on this option that says business messaging. And here you will see three options. One is engage with customers on Messenger from Meta. That means Facebook Messenger, like you can automate Facebook messages on Messenger. And second option is manage messaging and content on Instagram. That means you can publish content on Instagram. You can automate comments. You can automate stories, replies, messages, and a bunch of things that you can read here in the description. And third one is WhatsApp. Like you can automate WhatsApp conversation, notification, creating ads and other things. Okay, so we need these things. You have to click on all of these three options. In this tutorial, I know we are going to cover just Facebook Messenger, not Instagram and WhatsApp, but in upcoming videos, I will cover that too. So make sure you don't need to create the app again and again. Okay, select all of these three options, click on next button. And here you have to select your business portfolio. Now, in your case, as I said that make sure you have a regular Facebook account with a Facebook page and business portfolio. And in case, if you don't have a business portfolio or Facebook page, then make sure you create those portfolio. You can create here by clicking on this option, but I won't recommend you to do that. You can just watch tutorials on YouTube and just create a portfolio and a Facebook page, maybe for yourself or for your business. Okay. So select that business portfolio. In your case, it could be 1, 2, 3. Select whatever you want, which one you want to use, and just click on next option. Okay. And just next, and that's it. You have to create an app. Alright, and now your application will be created. Once the application will be created, you will land on that application's dashboard. Here you got a bunch of options in the left panel. You can see the dashboard, required action, use cases, and here what you have to do is that you have to get your access tokens, and access tokens will be used to, as I said, connect your Facebook Messenger to an automation. And in order to get your access tokens, you have to click on this use cases option right here. And here you will land on another page. And here, since we are automating our Facebook Messenger, you have to click on this first option that says engage with customers on Messenger from Meta. Click on that option. And here you will land on another page. And here you don't need to do anything. Just click on this second option that says Messenger API setting. Okay. Click on that option. And here, what you have to do is that scroll down side, and here you have to set up and add some information. The first option is to add a callback URL and verify token. And what is this callback URL? So this is the webhook URL where you want to send messages from Messenger. Okay. So in order to get the webhook URL, you need to create an automation. Okay. So now we have set up our app, but still we need to add these information. But before we add these information, we need to create an automation where we really want to send messages. Okay. So there are two options. You can manually create an automation by accessing your annotator. And the second option and convenient option is to just tell Claude what you want to build or what task you are working on, and Claude will build the full end-to-end annotator automation for you. That would be pretty easy and also pretty fast because Claude will handle everything and it will give you a webhook URL, verify token, and these things. Okay. So what I would do is that I will just grab the screenshot of this page, and like I will use my tool and I will provide this screenshot to Claude and will tell Claude everything about that I'm working on right now. So Claude will understand what I want and it will build the actual automation. Okay. So I have grabbed the screenshot and I will go to Claude Cowork. Make sure you select Claude Cowork, and here you have to paste that screenshot. Okay. And here, basically, what I will do is that I will tell Claude that, hey, I want to build an Anatan automation, and this Anatan automation will connect Rattle agent to Facebook Messenger through Facebook Graph API, and I need you to build the full end-to-end automation inside Anatan. Okay, so let me tell Claude what I want. Okay, hey, currently I'm working on connecting my Rattle agent. And now what I want is that I want you to access my Anatan account and build the fully functional Anatan automation that can receive data and messages from Facebook Messenger. Make sure the trigger is webhook. And also I want you to connect my retail agent, the same agent that I mentioned above, to this automation. So whenever someone sends us message on Facebook Messenger, we will receive the message on this Anatan automation. After receiving message, we will extract their message and we will send that message to this Rattle agent, and this Rattle agent will send us the reply or response of that message, and we will send that response back to Facebook Messenger, whatever you call it. And so we can automate this task part to build the Anatan automation and help me to build this chatbot. If you need any information or context, or if you have any questions to me, just simply ask. Now, before I send this message to Claude, I want to tell you one thing, and is that there are two options to automate Facebook and Messenger. And one option is to build the full chatbot inside Anatan. And that part is good, but it's not a fully functional chatbot. You can build a chatbot inside Anatan using Anatan's native nodes, but it won't have that features that we have in Rattle agent. Like it can access your calendar, it can book meetings automatically, and it can have full context and information. And if you want to add all of these features and functions, then you need to build this fully functional automation inside Anatan that can eat a lot of time. So the better option is to build the chatbot or voice agent in a third-party tool like Rattle and connect that to Facebook Messenger, Instagram messages, or WhatsApp. That's easy part. And I would highly recommend you to watch my previous video. In that video, I guided you. I built the actual Rattle agent step by step using Claude. I didn't even touch anything. Claude handled everything. And in this video, we are going to connect that same agent to Facebook. And in upcoming videos, we will connect the same agent, that same chatbot, to Instagram and WhatsApp. This is an easy part. And also by this way, you can charge a lot to your customers. And also if you are building for your own use cases, it's a lot easier and beneficial for you. Okay, so that's what I will say. If you haven't watched that video that you can see in, I guess, I button above up on the upside, I will highly recommend you to watch that video first. Okay, now I will send this message to Claude, and Claude will actually help me to build the Anatan automation and also everything to connect up this chatbot to Facebook Messenger. So we have to wait a bit. Now you can see Claude is saying that I have the playbook. Yeah, and my situation is narrow because Claude don't need to build the agent again in Rattle because we have already done that part. And it's saying that you already have the Rattle agent and the Facebook app. I have done that part. We already covered in this video. So this is really about building the Anatan bridge. That's what I want. And writing on both sides, let me load the tools. Now it's working and it's asking for my permission to access my Anatan account. And I will allow it to access my Anatan account, and basically Claude will build the fully functional production ready automation in Anatan. Then we just need to make some tweaks, and I will tell you what tweaks you need to make. Okay, so we have to wait a bit. So now Claude is actually taking action, as you can see, and it's building the Anatan automation, and this is the name of the automation. So let me click on that option to allow this task, and Claude is basically, I guess, started building the automation inside Anatan. Let's see, it's working. It's still working. We have to wait a bit. Okay, so now Claude has gave us response saying that it has really built the Anatan automation, and let's see if it's saying that to make it live, I need two values from you. You choose to paste them here, drop them in, and I will write them into the bot configure node and activate the workflow. I need to provide Rattle API key and Facebook access token. Okay, so first of all, I will provide my Rattle API key to Claude, and for Facebook access tokens, without adding the webhook URL, we can't get Facebook access tokens. Okay, there is no option. Let me show you. If we go right here, then we have to get the access tokens from here. So let's see if there is option to get access token. I will log in my account with my Facebook account. Try Messenger. Okay, good. I want that. And okay. So here, basically, when you will click on getting access tokens, you will see all of your Facebook pages here from your Facebook account. Okay. So you can select any Facebook page here. So in my case, I'm selecting this time go with this one, Jet courses. Okay. I will select on that option. And here, when you will click on that option, here you have bunch of options like these are all APIs tasks that what third party tool can perform these actions in your page. But we don't need to do anything. We have to collect on just messages. So you have to select this first option and you have to select other option as well as. But in your case, let's say you don't know anything like which option you need to select. So what you can do, you can just copy this one from here and get the screenshot, provide to Claude and ask Claude like, hey, I'm creating my access tokens by connecting my page. Which option from this list do I need to select? Let me ask Claude. I'm assuming that you are a beginner and how you can select correct option. So, hey, I'm generating Facebook access tokens by connecting my Facebook page and I have to select options here inside this pop-up window that you can see. Can you please tell me which options do I need to select? Let's see. Now Claude will tell you what options you need to select in order to automate Facebook Messenger. Okay. So let's see. Let's wait. Okay. So now Claude is telling you which options do you need to select. You need to select messages, messaging postbacks and messages echoes. Okay. So let's go here. I have selected that one. And messaging postbacks and messaging echoes. Where is this option? Let's see. I guess it's this option is right here. Okay, so confirm you have selected messaging postbacks, messages and echoes. Just click on confirm and you can see we got an error. It is saying that webhook subscription failed. Now why it failed? So the reason is simple. Facebook won't let you to generate access token without adding an actual webhook URL. So you have to add webhook URL first. So it's simple. We will solve it. First of all, just go to your retail and get your API keys by clicking on setting. Then here you got option for API keys. Click on this option. And here create your API keys by clicking on this option. I will just copy my API keys from here. This one. If you want to create API key, you can click just like clicking here. You can give it a try both. Okay. And just save and copy the keys. Make sure you just click API keys, not public keys. Copy your keys and go to Claude and tell that here are your API keys. Hey, I'm providing you my retail API keys, but I can provide you Facebook access token because we have to provide another webhook URL and secret token. Then Facebook will test it. After that, Facebook will allow us to generate access tokens. So first of all, you set up the workflow and give me the exact webhook URL and secret token that I have to add in that field that you can see in the image. Okay. So add your retail API keys here and you have to grab a screenshot of this page. Go here and here. So Claude can basically provide you the information that you need to put right here, like webhook URL and verify token. That's it. Just go to Claude again and send the message. Now Claude will give you the webhook URL and verify token. You know? So let's wait. Okay, so now Claude gave us the exact webhook URL that we need to add in our Facebook input field here. Add that URL right here. And this is the verify token that you have to add. And what you have to do, you have to do one thing. And that is, Claude has already built the annotation automation. If I show you in my account, then this is the annotation automation that Claude built. So you have to click on that automation and check if it is published or not. If it's not published, then you will get error. So you have to publish it because Facebook won't able to send test data here. Now, once it's published, go here and click on this verify and save option. Let's see if it works or if it gets any error. And I guess it's working. And let's see. We have to wait a bit. Again, go to that Messenger API setting tab. And here we have to see, it's green. So it's working. Okay. So if you see here, if really Facebook send the test data, you can see it has sent test data right here. So that means now Facebook is ready to send data. And the next step that you have to take is just close this window and come here and again connect your Facebook page. So again, I'm going to connect this Facebook page, select the right options, messages, postbacks, and echoes. That's it. Click on confirm. And now you can see it's connected. And to get your access token, click on generate option. And your tokens will be right in front of you. Click on the understand option copy your access tokens and save these on your notepad or somewhere else, because you won't see your tokens again. You have to create them again if you lost. So click on copy and just done. So I will store them on my notepad. Okay. So let me add my tokens on my notepad. Yeah, right here. And now what do you do? The next step is to, now Claude is asking us to provide the generated access tokens, so it can add those tokens in our Anadang automation. So manually you can configure those access tokens in your Anadang automation. Like if you go to automation and search for the node that will send the message back to Facebook. So this is the send to messenger. You can see right here. And you will see option here for access token. You can add the access tokens here. But in case if Claude wants to add these tokens on somewhere else, then you can provide your tokens right here. So tell Claude that, hey, I grabbed my access tokens are here. Hey, I have grabbed my access tokens are here. Please update my Anadang workflow. So I will send this message to Claude, and now Claude will handle the updating part. It will update your access tokens in the workflow, and then we will test how is everything working. Okay? Let's see. Okay, so now Claude is confirming that everything is set up. Now you can test. So I guess everything is working as expected. So what we have to do now comes the testing part. Now we have to test it. Okay, like if this workflow is actually working or not. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to go to. And what we have to do is that we just need to publish this app. Okay, so how would we publish this app? You will see an option right here that says publish. And here, basically, we will publish the app that we built inside the Facebook developer account. Okay, so go to web setting, and we need to configure some settings before we publish it. Okay, and here you have to add policy URL and terms of service category and your app icon. These are crucial parts that you have to do in order to publish the app. So how would you get your privacy policy URL and these things? Okay, so we will use ChatGPT in this case, and I will open my tab here. And what you have to do is that grab the screenshot of this tab from here. Okay, privacy policy, terms of service. Okay, that's it. Provide this screenshot to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT what do you want. Just tell it that, hey, I want you to generate a privacy policy and terms of service copy, and then we will add both copy in Google Docs, and we will grab the URL and we'll add those URLs here in these fields. Okay, so I will tell ChatGPT, hey, I want you to generate privacy policy copy and terms of service copy for this Facebook app that I built inside developer account. Okay, and I will send that message, and now GPT will generate the content for you. So you don't need to do anything, just copy this content right here. You can copy this one. Make sure you copy privacy policy, not the second one. Yeah, until here, and you have to open your Google Docs tab. Okay, so I have opened my Google Docs tab, and here basically you have to paste that privacy policy content. Okay, and what you have to do, you can give it a name like privacy policy and create another tab, and here you have to copy this terms of service content and just copy it, add that content right here. And first of all, get the URL of this. Click on this share option and make it anyone with link. Copy this link, add that link right here. Do the same for second tab. Copy this one, add this one right here. Now you have to select a category. You can select any category. Okay, so now the next thing that you have to do here is add an app icon, and that app icon should be in 1024 by 1024 pixels, and it should be with transparent background. So how would you get an app icon? You can generate maybe using Canva, or you come to this website, and you can see this website, and you will see bunch of options and transparent app icon. So I will grab this app icon, and let's see if we have option for the size. Let's go for 512 pixel. Download it, and let's see if it works or not. Okay, so I will go right here, select the file, and let's see if it works or not. Okay, so the app icon is right here. And now you don't need to do anything, just click on save changes, and yeah, everything is good. Now it's saved, go publish tab, and now you can publish your application. Now you are done. Everything should work now. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, it's working, to be honest. And now basically your app is live. Now you can see it's published. So now it means that whenever someone will message you on that Facebook account, we can send those messages to Rattle Agent, and Rattle Agent will basically reply to each message. So let's see, and I will test it from my another new Facebook account. So I have opened that Facebook page in my another Facebook account, and here I will click on messages, and I will basically send a simple message like, hi, And let's see if we get response back or not. Maybe we can run into any error, but we have to wait a bit. And if we don't get any response back, yeah, we got the message here. You can see, and that means the agent is working live here. You can see the response back. Hi there, thanks for calling Thrive. How can I help you today? So now you can see the bot is live right here. And now what do you have to do? You have to just having conversation. So let's start the conversation and let's assume that I'm interested in their services and I want to buy their services. Okay. So I will tell that, hey, I'm interested in your services and I really want your services. But before I buy your services or whatever you provide, I have some questions to you. Let's see. Yeah. So let's open the big tab, and here it's saying that I would be happy to help with your questions, and it's asking what are you looking to accomplish. So I will tell that I run a local art shop in maybe United States and I really want to increase my sales. I run a local art shop in Miami and I really want to increase my product sale. Let's wait for the response. It's saying thanks for sharing that. What's your first name? I'd also love to hear a bit more about what are you hoping to achieve at your art shop? So I will tell you that I want to increase sales at my art shop. Well, my name is Alex and I want to increase sales of our products at our shop utilizing digital marketing. Yeah, right. Now it's saying that we offer these services. In which service do you really interested? So I will tell that I'm interested in paid advertising. I'm interested in paid advertising. Let's see. Now it's saying, and do you currently work with an agency? Have your own marketing team or are you starting fresh? So I will tell that I'm starting fresh. I'm starting fresh. I haven't done paid advertising before. Now it's saying that currently we don't have any marketing team and also we are currently dependent on selling our products locally. That's where for its response. Now it's asking that are you looking to get moving with paid ads right away or it's more of like a 6-month plan for your shop? So I will tell you that I want to start it as soon as possible. I want to start it as soon as possible. Let's wait. Now it's asking if you are thinking about a one-time project like a website, what range are you considering? Now it's asking for my budget. So my budget is $5,000 per month. Let's wait. Now it's saying like it's getting my contact information so it can store the data in CRM and also can notify team on Slack. So I will provide it my email and phone number. So here is my email. Okay, so my email is, let's see, I have provided my email to it. Yeah, my phone numbers are these. Let's see. So basically it's getting information from us and it will either book a meeting with us, with the team, or maybe it will store the data in CRM and will notify the team about it. Okay, so I will tell it, yeah, everything is correct. Now it's saying that like it has access to my calendar as we discussed in previous videos. So it's saying that we have this time is available to us, like Monday at 1:30 p.m. Central or Tuesday at this time. Which one would you pick? So I will go for this option. Okay, let's see what we get in response. Now it has really booked the meeting with the team and I will get confirmation on my email. It's what it's saying. Okay, and it's saying, do you need anything else? I will say no. Thanks for your help. Okay, now let me go and let me show you my yes, sure. What's that error? Okay, so now let's go and let's see if it has really sent me a calendar invitation to my email and also it really stored data in CRM and whether we got a message on Slack or not. So let me go and I will open my email. Let's go and I will open my email right here, Gmail, and let's see if we got the message. You can see right here. Thrive agency calendar between Dilip and Alex, and you can see the time Tuesday in June 30. Between this time, we got the calendar invitation as well as with the same contact details, and you can see here. And let's see if it has added my data in CRM or not. So I will go to my CRM and we'll click on this Thrive agency database, and here you can see the data of Alex. You can see their contact details and their budget, and if the person is decision maker or not, you can see that status, and it is showing that we have qualified, meeting has booked, and the date of meeting and all of the data you can see right here. And if I go on to check the actual notification on Slack, then you can see we got notifications from Alex from this particular company, Miami, Florida, USA, their details and all the data that it has released. And so you can see how advanced this is, and now it this agent really lives inside your Facebook Messenger. So whenever anyone messages you, it will handle everything for you, your business, and it is 24 by 7. So you can see what we have done covered in this video step by step. And I hope you got a lot of value. And these are just small things. You can even build more advanced workflows or chatbots or voice agents using Claude. And I'm here to teach you everything. And if so, here is the thing. Every single day, people are messaging Facebook pages just like yours, ready to buy, ready to book, and most of them slip away just because nobody answers in time. You don't have to lose those leads anymore, and you definitely don't have to spend days to building something to fix it. That's exactly what I help business owners with. So from here, you have two simple paths. Path one, if you want to build this yourself, come join my skill community. Inside, you get the exact skill that I used in this video, the one that lets Claude build a complete Facebook Messenger chatbot for you in minutes. You can use it for your own business or even build these for clients, and you don't need to know coding, and it's not a manual work. Like, the link is in the description down below. And the second path is, maybe you have got repetitive manual task eating up your week, or there is a part of your business you have been wanting to automate, but you are just not sure how. If that's you, reach out to me, message me on LinkedIn or WhatsApp. Both links are down in the description below, and tell me what are you trying to automate or what's slowing you down. I will personally help you in the right direction, because the businesses automating these stuff right now are pulling ahead while everyone else is still buried in manual work. You don't have to be in that second group. So pick your path. All the links are down in the description below, and subscribe if you want to keep seeing builds like this every single week, and like this tutorial if you got value from it.